Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Teacher Ib. Now continue zoology for the topic identifying and naming parts of birds. Okay, in this topic, we will going to learn the fourth group of animal with backbone, which is vertebrate. So, as usual, the kingdom for animals is Animalia. The phylum of animal with the backbone is vertebrates. And the class that we're going to focus on here is aves or birds. Okay, here are the main characteristic of birds or ave. First one, all ave must have a feather and also wings. They are also laying eggs. And all of the birds have two legs. The ears is just an ear holes instead of a real ears like human. And lastly, birds are warm-blooded. That means the body temperature will not change. It stays warm in any kind of temperature. Okay, now let's continue with the parts of birds. So first one, the eyes. So eyes is so important where the birds have the excellent vision and color perception. So their eyes is very sharp, especially when they want to avoid from any things in front of them. Secondly, the chest or the body. Okay. So birds have the hollow bones. It helps them to fly easily and lightly. And they also breathe using a lung. On the breast or the chest, the color for the male and female are different. So we can identify them by looking at the different color on the chest. Next is head. Bird's head, there are eyes, nostrils, big ears, and also a mobile neck with tails. Okay, tails is made from a totally feather. This one helps the bird to stir and break while flying and balance while perching. And some of the birds have a different colors of tails. Next, ears. So here's the ears on the head. So this is just a membranes that allow the birds to hear and transmitting sound to the brain. Okay, it doesn't have a real ears like us. Next, crown. Okay, crown is the top of the head. So some birds have a different and brightly colored crowns. Next, beak. So beak also known as bills. You can also find nostrils on the beak, and beak used for pecking, grasping food, or for defense. So different species have different size and shape of a beak. Next, legs and feet. Okay, leg and feet also different for each species, have a different shapes depending on where they live. The legs and feet is for catching prey, perch in the trees, or some for swimming in the water where they have a webbed toe. Next one, feather. So the whole body of birds is covered by feather. So feather helps to retain body heat and deflect water from the body. Next, wings. So this is a very important part for the birds, where it is a main component of a highly developed flying apparatus. So without this, it hasn't been called as a birds. Okay, so here are the overall parts of the bird. So wing, head, the ears, crown, eyes, the nostrils, the beak, the chest and body, legs and feet, and some of them also have claw. Oh yeah, last one, tails. Okay, so that's all from me. Assalamualaikum. Thank you.